Hey guys, welcome to the week of November 16th. This is our first week going fully remote officially. We are now remote until Christmas break, so these videos will hopefully be extra helpful to you guys if you're not showing up on Zoom, which of course I suggest. Please come to our Zoom meeting. They're here in the Zoom conference folder. Daily Zoom at 9:30 is when our class meets, and that's Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Fridays only. So, come on in. English 9. Unit 6 is where we are for our assignments this week. As you guys can see, on Friday we didn't achieve, and Monday we didn't achieve, so we took a minute to do some achieves. And then we moved forward here to small group presentations, which is where I want to spend the bulk of our time today. So, Achieve 3 had 2 articles, Go Ahead, Talk to Yourself, and Hooked on Animal Crossing. You were allowed to choose either one of those. First, participate in the discussion, then read the article, complete the activity, submit your screenshot, make sure your screenshot shows your score. Of course, we're looking at this very first score, the one in the first try section. If you have less than 75% in this section, you need to read another article. A lot of people brought up TikTok today. There is an article about TikTok. I totally suggest you read it. That would be a fun one to read, especially if you're familiar with it. And then you can submit a new score with a new screenshot and get credit for that. If you get less than 75%, you just don't get credit for that. So make sure you read your second article. If you read 2 articles and weren't paying attention and get lower than 75% both times, I'm sorry. That's probably an issue with paying attention or focus, and you'll get a 0 for that assignment. So don't waste your time. Be intentional, be careful when you're doing your achieve. Small group presentations, let's talk about those. That's awesome. All right, so in our small group presentation, we've got step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Step 1 is the overview and instructions. Create a slideshow. And there's a separate video specific to this. So go ahead and watch that video. And that's the week.